Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to be showing you guys doing a review and tutorial on the brand new Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice palette and the Pro Filter eye primer. So I'm going to be trying and using both of these products. I'm going to be showing you guys how they perform, how they look, show you guys how to create this look that I've got on my eyes right now. I may, add a little eyeshadow as a highlight. I feel like you've seen me doing that quite a lot recently. So if you want to know what eyeshadow I used for this blending highlight, then keep on watching. If you want to know how I created this eye look, then keep on watching. This is the brand new Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice palette. It is absolutely beautiful. It has 16 shades. It retails at £43. Now this is what the beautiful Moroccan Spice palette looks like. Oh my gosh! Look at that. Wait. Look at that packaging. It's just so sleek. It's so like, I just love it. So, before you go anywhere, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel. That little button down here that you say subscribe, give it a click. And I think there's also a little bell right beside it as well. If you click that, then you will get notified anytime I upload, so you will never miss my videos. Let's get in this review, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm going to start with the new Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Amplifying Eye Primer. This also just launched today as well, and I thought, getting the eyeshadow palette, why not get the primer and give it all a try together. This shade is called Invisipink. So I think it's literally just like a neutral shade for everyone. I love this packaging. Look at this packaging. It's literally a mini version of the Pro Filter face primer. Look, it's so cute. This is what the wand looks like. It's just like a flat brush kind of wand. Let's start and apply this. I actually never go in with eye primers anymore. I always just put concealer on. This is going to be slightly different. I'm just going to dab it all in. So this literally just feels like an eye kind of base, like an eye cream kind of base, although it's really sticky. It's quite tacky, which is quite nice. I do hope that the eyeshadow doesn't stick to it though, that's the only thing, because it is quite tacky. I do feel like it's got a kind of white tint to it, not like pure white, but I can definitely tell that I've got something on the eyes. Okay, so compared to this side is less tacky compared to the side that I just applied and just like patted down. So it's really sticky on my fingers, you know that? This palette is like screaming summer, glam, colourful. It's literally screaming everything to me. These colours, I'm obsessed. The two that are standing out the most to me that I really want to try today is this red shade and this blue shade. So these shades are actually named as well. The names are on the back of the palette, which I do feel like it is going to get a little bit confusing because it's like I need to figure out where it is. So the first shade that I'm going to go in with is this one here. Now I never got her original first palette, the Galaxy palette. I never got that. So I'm super excited to try that. This is my first Fenty Beauty palette. Can you tell I'm excited? Okay, that's really pigmented. The only thing is the primer is quite sticky, so the shadows itself are blending really nicely, but I feel like the brush is getting stuck a little bit on the primer. Okay, that shade is beautiful. The shades itself are blending really nicely. The primer just feels a little bit sticky, which I'm not too keen on. Next I'm going to go in with this shade here. I'm going to go in with this shade now. this shade. Oh, look how pigmented that is. I'm just going to dab this all over my lid. Now, these shadows are blending beautifully. The colours are beautiful. And the pigmentation of these shadows are really, really, really nice. The shadows are blending really nice together as well. Like, two of them are kind of layered on top of each other. You've seen that I put my transitional shade on, I put the darker shades, then I put the red shades slightly on top, and it actually has blended really nice together. It kind of works really nicely together. So next, we're going to go crazy. We're going to go in with extremely beautiful, extremely glittery, pigmented looking blue. I cannot. Look. Oh my goodness. Look at that blue. Let's go in with this. Oh my gosh, guys. Look how pigmented. Look how pigmented that is. I feel like I've went like really dramatic and over the top, but that kind of just describes what Rihanna's like. Dramatic, over the top, and just bold, bright, absolutely stunning lip. Like, look at this like blue. It's just beautiful. Okay guys, second eye done. Look at this eyelid. Right now, I'm shook. I feel like I'm matching the palette. Okay guys, I'm gonna quickly go away, do the rest of my face. I'm gonna be adding one of these shades in my inner corner as well. So, keep watching. And I'll be back and I'll give you my final thoughts on this palette as well, and the eye primer. Hey guys, so I'm back. I'm gonna go in with the same shade that I went in with on top, underneath my eye, on my lash line. Now, to inner highlight, I'm gonna go in with this beautiful white pearl shade. That's actually got a pink tinge to it. It's actually not pearl white. I thought it was like a pearl white shade. But as I've applied it there, it's went on quite pink. Which actually, I actually quite like how that looks with the blue. Okay, I've now just went in with the Fenty Beauty Matte Moiselle lipstick in the shade PMS. Oh my gosh, look at that pigment. Girls. Guys, look at that pigment. I need to find out his name. That was the shade Marrakesh. Look at that pigment. Okay guys, so here we have it. The finishing final look. The eyeshadow palette, I'm in love with. The eyeshadow as a highlight, I'm in love with. I am loving it. This eyeshadow palette, the primer, I wasn't quite sure at the primer when I first put it on. It was quite sticky and tacky. Looking at my eyes, it has blended together really, really nicely, and it hasn't like separated the eyeshadows. It hasn't made it hard to blend. It's like, it looks really nice together, and it's sort of just blended all together. I'm in love with this palette. Let me know what you guys think of this palette in the comment section below. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video as well. If you have, then leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you for another video.